It's a sad fact of nature that some of the most iconic and beautiful creatures in the world are quickly disappearing from their habitats. Let's start from number 10. Make sure to watch till the end. 10. Amur leopard. The Amur leopard is a critically endangered species of big cat native to Siberia and northeast China. It is estimated that there are only around 80 Amur leopards remaining in the wild, making it one of the world's most threatened species. This magnificent animal has beautiful fur that is uniquely striped with rosettes, a feature that makes it distinguishable from other species of leopard. The main threats to the Amur leopard include poaching, habitat destruction, and climate change. The World Wildlife Fund has made it a priority to conserve and protect this species, and has even developed a program to protect Amur leopard habitats. With the aid of conservation efforts, researchers hope to save this species from extinction and protect its future. 9. Black rhino. The black rhino is an imperiled species of large mammal widely recognized as one of the world's most endangered animals. Populations of the black rhino have declined dramatically in recent decades, primarily due to poaching and the illegal trade in their horns. In the last century, their numbers have dropped by an astounding 96%, leaving only around 4,000 individuals of the species in the wild. Conservation efforts have been launched to help protect the species and improve their numbers. But there are still a great number of threats to the black rhino that need to be addressed. Therefore, it is important to support organizations that are working to protect this species and ensure their survival for generations to come. 8. Vaquita. The vaquita is a critically endangered species of porpoise found in the Gulf of California, Mexico. It is the smallest and rarest of all cetaceans, living exclusively in shallow, warm waters. According to the World Wildlife Fund, the vaquita is considered one of the most endangered species in the world, with an estimated population of less than 30 individuals. The main threats to the species include entanglement in fishing nets, habitat destruction, and illegal fishing practices, such as gill netting. Furthermore, the vaquita is facing a rapidly dwindling population due to a combination of these factors. The International Union for the Conservation of Nature currently lists its conservation status as endangered, and its numbers are decreasing at an alarming rate. 7. Mountain gorilla. The mountain gorilla is one of the world's 10 most endangered animals due to its limited range, human encroachment, and threats from poachers. Found only in the tropical forests on the borders of Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, there are now only an estimated 880 mountain gorillas left in the wild, and there are thought to be only 1,004 gorillas in existence in total. These animals have suffered due to a lack of available protected habitats within their range, in addition to the poachers who illegally hunt them for food and trophies, as well as the destruction of their natural habitat caused by human activities such as farming and logging. Conservation efforts have been underway to try to save these animals, though due to how rare they are and the bleak prospects for their survival, the prognosis for the future of the mountain gorilla is uncertain at best. 6. Hawksbill Turtle. The hawksbill turtle is one of the most endangered animals in the world, with only a few thousand of the species still living in the wild. This turtle lives on coral reefs and feeds on sponges, jellyfish, and other sea creatures that are found in shallow waters. The species has been decimated by overharvesting of its eggs, shells, and meat, as well as destruction of their nesting grounds. Today, the primary threat to the species is illegal poaching and capture of the turtles for the pet and marine aquarium trade. In addition, loss of coral habitats due to human activities, such as coastal development and pollution, has further decreased their population. Conservation efforts have been undertaken in order to help the species, including habitat protection, increased regulations, and professional education and outreach. 5. Asian elephant. The Asian elephant is one of the 10 most endangered animals in the world. With a decreasing population of less than 40,000, the species faces rapid decline due to poaching, habitat destruction, and human-elephant conflict. They are persecuted for their tusks, eaten for food, and displaced as their habitats are destroyed by logging and agricultural practices. In addition, climate change is further reducing their range and food sources. Conservation efforts such as anti-poaching laws, habitat protection, legislation, and increased awareness are all important to protect this majestic species and ensure its future survival. 4. Sea otter. The sea otter is a species of otter that resides in oceans and other aquatic habitats along the coasts of North America, Europe, and Asia. They are the second smallest marine mammal after the similar, yet much smaller, marine otter of Central and South America. Sea otters have thick fur, which is brown in color and can often be spotted on the surface of the water foraging for food, grooming, or lounging on their backs. Their diet consists of mainly fish, clams, crabs, urchins, and other shellfish. Sea otters are a keystone species, meaning their presence in the environment helps to maintain the biodiversity of sea creatures in the areas where they live. Unfortunately, the sea otter is on the list of the 10 most endangered animals in the world due to changing climate conditions and their vulnerable status as prey to commercial fisheries. Because of their status, large-scale conservation efforts and protections have been established to help bring the populations back up. 3. Orangutan. The orangutan is one of the world's most endangered animals, and its population has been declining steeply due to habitat loss, poaching, and the illegal pet trade. Orangutans are apes predominantly found in tropical rainforests in the Southeast Asian islands of Borneo and Sumatra. They are gentle, solitary animals, and males can grow over 4 feet tall. Orangutans are critically endangered, with the Bornean species seeing an estimated 83% population decline over the last 3 generations. Their forests are disappearing due to the palm oil and logging industries, leading to an estimated 100,000 hectares of forest lost each year. Additionally, orangutans are frequently poached from their natural habitat and are used for traditional medicines or kept as pets. 2. Leatherback Turtle. The leatherback turtle, Dermocoles coriacea, is one of the most critically endangered animals in the world, with population numbers declining drastically over recent decades. Found primarily in tropical and subtropical waters, the leatherback turtle is the world's largest living turtle species and eats mainly jellyfish. They have been critically endangered due to overfishing, plastic pollution, and habitat destruction. With numbers estimated to be as low as 20,000 nesting females, conservation efforts have been implemented worldwide, including the adoption of protected areas and laws preventing marine pollution. 1. White rhino. The white rhino is one of the world's most endangered animals, with an estimated population of only 20,000 individuals remaining in the wild. The species numbers have been on a steady decline since the late 19th century due to habitat loss and rampant poaching. White rhinos live in small family groups and established territories with dominant bulls. They feed mainly on grasses, which they consume in enormous quantities and are usually found in savannas and grasslands. These large animals can reach up to 20 feet in length and weigh up to 3 tons, making them some of the largest land mammals on the planet. So this was all about the video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.